Gas heat, electric air, exactly the way it works. So in this case here, if you notice, you have no pilot, and that's the way these systems work. Most likely what you have what they call a glow plug, and basically what it does in the heat mode, the first thing that kicks in is what we call the inducer motor, and then the next thing you'll see is an orange glow, and then the next cycle will be the propane kicking in, and you'll see a flame, and then you'll see the glow go away, and then the last thing to kick in will be the bottom motor, which starts the process of drawing the cold air through, back up, hit the hot chamber, and then feed us heat through the supply side, which is the perimeter of the home, windows, doors, that type thing. So that's exactly the way it works. In the air conditioning mode, we create condensation, because when these two temperatures hit on that ice cold surface in there, the warm air hitting the cold line, it actually has a condensation pan. That's where this guy comes in. And if you notice, you got your little brush here. It's something to keep an eye on. These do get green, and they do fill up with fungus and everything. So that's why they make the brush, because this is gravity fed, and you don't want to do is block this up in here, okay, in this section here, and the water will run out onto the floor. Yours comes out and comes over and dumps into the slab. Okay, so when these were done at that time, it was made to dump all the condensation into the floor, and that's exactly what happens. If you feel, if you see water coming out of it, a lot of times you may have to go to a sump pump. They make sump pump for these now, where you actually take a hose, plastic hose, and go over to the sump pump, and then dump all the fluids into the sump pump over here behind me. Okay, if you ever get to that point. If you're happy the way it is and it's working the way it is, great. In the bottom, back over